Okay, so we're going to be doing multiplying and dividing fractions and mixed numbers. So the first problem is 2/3 times 10/16. So how you do this is 2 times 10, 2 times 10, 20 over, and then 3 times 16 is 48. So then to reduce it, you would divide both of these by 2. So 20 divided by 2 is 10. 48 divided by 2 is 24. 10 24ths. You can divide that again. So you could divide it by 2 again. 5/12. And that's your final answer. You cannot reduce that anymore. Next problem. Okay, so the second problem is which has the same value as 5/8 divided by 3. Well, you can't divide a fraction like that, so you'd have to turn 3 into a fraction, so it'd be, and change the reciprocal. So it'd be 5/8 times 3 over 1 would be 3, but you switch it, so it's 1 over 3. So then 5 times 1 equals 5, and 8 times 3 is 24. That's how you solve that problem. Okay, so the next problem is a little more challenging. So Joe has 4 pounds of clay. He uses 3/4 pounds to make a vase. How much clay is left? So for that, you would have to subtract to find the answer. So it'd be, you'd have to turn 4 into a fraction. So it'd be 4 over 1 minus 3 over 4. But you can't do that because they have to have a common denominator. So you'd multiply the 1 by 4 and then the 4 by 4. So that'd be 16 over 4 minus 3 over 4, which equals, it'd equal 13 over 4. And then 13 over 4 can be simplified into 3 and 1/4. That's the answer to that problem. Okay, so this is the last question that we're going to do, and it's a little more challenging. So Claire picked some apples. She used 2/5 of the apples to make jam. She gave 1/3 of the remainder to her neighbor. What fraction of the apples did she give to her neighbor? So to figure out this problem, you'd multiply 2/5 and 1/3. And just so you know, the dot is the same thing as multiply. So 2 times 1 is 2. 5 times 3 equals 15. Your answer is, she gave 2/15 of the apples to her neighbor.
This is the challenge question. Try to solve it and try put the answer in the comments. Thanks.